how to construct percentage of stocks above 200-day or 50-day moving average out of its index constituents like the CNX 500. So this is a very nice question with regards to how you want to track your tradable universe. So for instance, if your tradable universe is the CNX 500 or maybe the S&P 500 uh, uh, index space, right? So at any given point of time, you are looking at 500 or 505 odd stocks which you can possibly trade. Say you want to filter those stocks, as this question says, on the percentage of stocks above 200-day moving average. So the first step would be to calculate the 200-day moving average of each of those stocks, right? The next filter would be like, if say the current price is in variable, right? So if current price of asset I, like for similarly you have to go for 500 assets. So if current price of the first asset is greater than the 200-day moving average of the first asset, so then you can add it to a particular list. uh, then you run this entire filtering algorithm over the space of CNX 500 or S&P 500 or maybe the Nifty 50, whatever your choice for the index is, and you apply the filter, and that will give you the number of stocks along with the stock tickers. So that will give you how many stocks are above, how many stocks are below. You can use that to maybe calculate some sort of metrics for the index, or use the filtered list to maybe analyze further or place trades on. I would like to add here that this particular stock screener, that can be as complex as you want. Maybe you can add a filter for ADX values, right? So we know that if ADX value, if it's consistently above 25, so that may indicate some sort of trend, right? So after you apply this moving average filter, maybe you can apply the ADX filter and see, like, if in the past 30 days, if the average ADX price ADX value is about 25, then that would give you an indication that yes, this particular stock is in trend and it is currently trading above the 200-day moving average. So that reduces your space from 500 stocks down to, say, selected few 20-25 stocks which satisfy your particular trading criteria, screening criteria.